Hey YouTubers, I'm back again at CVAS. Check out this wicked Nissan 350Z. Look at this thing's all race and it's very awesome. I figured my buddy Matt Galmez needed his appetite a little more wet for the JDM stuff, so figured I'd show off some really cool wide body action here for you, man. And all my JDM fans out there, I like JDM stuff, don't get me wrong. I think it's pretty dope. And this is amazing right here. Look at the suspension treatment he's got out back, the F1 suspension. Look at the back here, man. This thing is absolutely nuts. Absolutely my favorite JDM car I've seen thus far. This thing is insane. You gotta get a peek at this thing. Alright guys, see ya.